So 18% here in the Philippines, yung banana product natin is wasted. Yeah, of course, let me introduce to you in our company, which is the Yamiya company. We innovate a product of a banana just twist into a viand. Because kadalasan kasi yung common ginagawa natin ng ating banana product is for kakanin or snacks lang naman. So by the way, my name is Crisanto Almonte. Good day everyone. Your preacher for today to provide some information of our company. So we found some problem here in our local community, which is the Barangay Poblacion Claveria, Misamis Oriental. So for our food waste in the Philippines is over 650,000 tons gas unused annually. And then of course, unhealthy foods are now mostly rampant and available in the market. And of course, the overconsumption is detrimental to our health and environment. Of course, our busy parents, no, they are working, no, they doesn't have enough time to cook their own food, no, especially in their kids, no, dili na nila mahatagan og time. And of course, lack of innovative ideas, no, to persuade their children to eat healthy foods. Kadalasan yung kinakain ng kids natin or kids ng mga consumer natin is yung mga processed food. Of course, yung processed food is unhealthy food na kasi, no. That, of course, we have here the solutions for parents, no. According to the to our research, no, they are save their time, of course, assurance for the product, and of course the affordable. Of course, for the kids, we have healthy foods and we have delicious foods and excitement. Of course, kasi yung mga bata is kung ano yung trends, yun yung gusto nila. So kami yung company namin, para talagang mabigyan namin pansin or talagang mahatagan namin og solusyon yung problema nila. So gumawa kami ng healthy foods. And of course, for all ages, we have satisfactions and innovation. Next is our market size. We have TAM. So Poblacion is a barangay in the municipality of Claveria in the province of Misamis Oriental. Its only population as determined by the 2020 census was 10,584. And of course, our SAM for the range of 15 up to 64 years old. Roughly, the economically active populations in actual or potential members of the workforce to constitute is about 6,048. And then for the serviceable obtainable market, we have the range of age at about 10 to 30. So target populations is about 848. In the product, we have a lot of recipes, no, kasi kung ano talaga yung makapagbigay solusyon ng ating customer, kung ano talaga yung gusto ng ating customer, no, kung yung makapagbigay ng satisfactions to them. So ginawa namin ng recipes. And of course, for our business model sales, we have captured only 2,848. Price for our per meal is 30 pieces only. So ang gawin lang natin is multiply lang natin para makuha yung revenue. Of course, our revenue here is umabot siya ng 1,167,620 pesos. Of course, our business model, we have Banana Viand here in our product of our company. We have key partners, municipalities, school to school. And of course, our activities is harvesting of banana, cooking in a specific banana viand. We have also packaging and labeling. We have also marketing and sealing. For our value propositions, we have hot service. And we have healthy foods and also delicious meal and fast delivery. For our customer relationships, we have online, personal. We have also customer segments here, the students and our all potential markets or potential buyers. For our key resources, we have ingredients, we have equipments, labor, and cards. And then for our channel, we have cart. For our online, we have have FB page or the TikTok or anything else for the online services. No, we have food delivery services. No, yung tinatawag natin for the online. And of course, we have cost structures. We have ingredients, flyers, constructions, labor salaries. We have online costs, equipment, and utility cost. We have also here the revenue streams for banana sales to banana sales and also up to the tips. And of course, we have a marketing strategy. We have partnerships and also we have events. For our partnerships, we have here University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines from Claveria. We have also the Our Lady of Lourdes Academy of Claveria, or we also known as AULA, and also the Municipality of Claveria and the Claveria Central School. Pero meron pa rin tayong high school here in Claveria o Barangay Poblaciones. We have also the DOST. For our events, gumawa din kami ng food stall for araw ng Claveria. We have also the fiestas. And then, for the school, we have Week of Wellness, no, in partnership of USDP. And then also, we have a Nutrition Month, special holidays. Next is our competitive advantages. We put here only the advantages. We have affordable product. We have only a price of 30 pesos. Fruit drinks, we have only 14 pesos for 12 ounce. We have also discounts for purchase to frozen products, buy 2 get 1. So kung dalawa yung binili mo, may free kang 1 pack. And also we have discount during special holidays. For our impacts, we have candy made by age, teenagers with potentials. We have elders, male or female. Next one is our project startup cost. We have overall startup cost here only 40,640. Yung startup natin is yung computation ng product natin kung magkano yung binili natin in one cycle. Next is the team members. So we have the manager. She is AJ Evangelista. For our sales manager, he is Xavier Tambiling. For his assistant, no, she is Gisli M. Sahol for sales assistant manager. And after the sales assistant, we have two sales associate, which is she is Breluz Yuana and Kent Monticelio. Of course, we have the financial manager kasi kailangan talagang mag-handle ng ating financial. He is Crisanto Almonte and his assistant, she is Michelle Ann Braga. Yun talaga yung kailangan natin para mas makita natin yung successful ng company. I think that would be all. Thank you.